Hey guys, how's it going? It's AppWiz. Today I'm going to show you how to extend the meeting time limit on Zoom. First of all, go ahead and open your apps, so head to Google Play. What I'm going to do here is search for Zoom. Now, just double check if the Zoom app needs to be updated. If it does, go ahead and update it. If not, just move on to the next step. Now I'm going to open up the Zoom app. As you can see, this is my Zoom interface with meetings and everything. Click on More in the bottom right corner, and you'll see the option that says Upgrade Now to try Zoom Pro for free. Click on that. Next, you'll be asked to choose either the monthly or annual plan. I'm going to go ahead and select the annual plan as an example. Just click on it. And if you're using an iPhone, double-click the side button to confirm your subscription with your thumb or Face ID. Basically, this will start your 1-month free trial of Zoom Pro, which gives you unlimited meeting time along with other premium features. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.